welcome back to the channel. Let's start trying to get a little bit of normality around here. So obviously since I was gone for a while, things started to kind of pile up, and now I have 6 Spooky Box Club boxes here that need to be unboxed, but I think that's too many for one video, so I'm thinking I'm going to do 3 now, and I'm going to do 3 in another video soon. It'll be fine. So I had a look at all of them, and I think I have them in the right order. Only one of them doesn't actually have the box number on it, but going by the other ones, I think I've got it right. So we've got box 74, which is Haunted Librarian, which is exciting. Dark Fairytale, that I'm assuming is box 75 because there's no number on it, but there was no other 75. And then box 76, which is Spooky Summer Camp, which sounds really cute. So I'm excited for all of these. Ooh. So I guess we're starting with Haunted Librarian. It's been so long. I forgot how much I enjoy these just because I've been so out of the swing of things, and now I'm really looking forward to this. Okay, we're gonna dive right in. Oh my goodness, what is that right on top? Okay, hold on. What are you? Ooh. God, that's quite like, it's like quite a fancy thing to have like in a box. Right, hold on. Look. Close enough. There we go. Look how cute. That's really nice. I'm impressed with that. It's like small, but like it'd be good if you just had like a few things to carry, like your phone, your keys, your wallet, or whatever. This would do fine. That's adorable. Aha, off to a very good start. Okay, let's see. We have some tea. Ooh, vanilla bourbon black tea blend. Black tea leaf, bourbon vanilla oil, and marigold petals. Oh, that smells really good. Ooh, okay. Oh, there's something really cute in there. I was like trying to figure out what one thing was, and I was like, okay, hold on. What are book plates? We have ghostly decorated book plates. 13 self-adhesive labels of this design. That's really cute. I don't know what they're for, but I am excited for it. Oh, I see. So there's like a little place, I guess, so like you write your name. So instead of just like writing your name on the book, you can stick this in here and then put your name in this little box. That's cute. My nails are awful. Just don't. Everything's awful right now. Don't judge me. Oh dear. Okay. Oh my god. That's so cute. So this is a flying bat sweater guard and collar pins. And I've seen things like this before on like shirt collars, but I never thought of using them to like keep cardigans and stuff closed. That's a really cute, fun idea. It's just the freaking bats. Look how adorable. I love this. Ooh. So the little boxes have labels on them now, and it says typewriter keys ghost bracelet. Oh, that's cute. I didn't really know what to expect, but that's actually adorable. Hold on. Can you see? That's actually really, really cute. I really like that. Can I get this on by myself? I don't need no man. Fuck. No. Right, I'm determined to do this. Hold on. Ah. I have no patience for fiddly things. No, right, no. I will put that on later. I love it, but I am going to scream. Okay, but yes, very happy with that. Exciting, good. We have a little red lollipop, lovely. And then, oh, Scully glasses chain. Oh, cute. Ah, yay. So yeah, it's just like a chain to like hold your glasses. I actually made like a little crystal one of these in a video once on my channel. It's there somewhere, I'm sure you could find it. But this is really cute. See, I don't wear glasses myself, but you know, sunglasses and stuff, so it works out great. Okay, so that was all for the Haunted Librarian box. Let's see, we've got the custom-made vegan leather haunted book clutch bag with shoulder strap, yes. Custom-made typewriter keys style ghost bracelet in stainless steel, yes. Love it, can't put it on, gonna scream. Custom-made amethyst and onyx bead Scully glasses chain in stainless steel, yes. Custom-made sweater guard / collar bat pins, yes. Custom made pack of ghostly decorated book plates, yes. Roaming ghost vanilla tea sampler, yes. And Spooky Box candy of the month. Yes, we got everything in that box. So we're on to the next. Is a Dark Fairytale, which is exciting. This one's a little heavier, so let's see. Okay. So we have a lollipop. It's a nice pink and blue one. I was obsessed with this color combination around like 2011 or something, I think. Like I had dreads in these colors and everything, and like I was trying to match everything to that. So we've got another tea blend. This is the Fairy Grove Woodland Tea Blend. It has black sencha tea, melissa, dried strawberry, dried apple, rose hip, lemon peel, orange peel, hibiscus, and natural flavoring. Oh, that's really nice. Why is it spicy? Did I say anything spicy? No, it smells like cinnamon to me, but there's no cinnamon in there. I don't know why. Like, it's definitely fruity, but I don't know why I'm getting like a sort of like warmer smell as well, but it smells really good. I've just seen one of the boxes and I've seen what it says on it. I don't know if I like the labels in the boxes just because it's kind of fun to open it and see what it is, but also I do kind of, I don't know. But hold on. Ah, it's a tooth fairy ring. I think it's made out of like clay or something maybe, I'm not sure what, but yeah, it's like a little ring made to look like a molar, so that's cute. Tooth fairy molar ring. Cute. We have enchanted fairy dust potion bottle necklace. How cute. Look. And then another little box, sprite silhouette earrings. Oh, they are like little like fairy silhouettes. That's really cute. I wonder if my mom would like these. Mom really likes fairies and stuff. Like, I like them, but I wonder if she'd like them even more, but they are really adorable. Okay, this has been calling my name because it's all wrapped up and I can't see what it is, but it looks interesting. Ooh, but first, since this is the last thing in the bottom of the box, there are some black fairy wing embroidered patches. This is really cute on the back of like a hoodie or something. Okay. Now this thing. Oh, it's another bag. God, right, okay. Another like little clutch purse, hold on. So this is really simple, but I actually really like it. It just says dark magic. It has like a cool sort of chain strap. And yeah, it's just like another little clutch bag. I like that. Awesome, okay. So we got the custom made dark magic clutch bag, yes. All vegan leather with stainless steel shoulder strap. A black fairy wings jacket patches, yep. Enchanted fairy dust potion, yep. Or fairy dust potion necklace. Sprite silhouette earrings. Tooth fairy molar ring. Fairy grove woodland tea blend sampler. And candy of the month. Yes, we got all of that. Okay, cool. And then the last one is the spooky summer camp box, which sounds really fun, so I'm excited to see. Let's have a look. Yay! Okay, so first off, right on top. That's really fun. I don't think I have it sized right, but yeah, I like that. Oh, there's a really cute little pin. It's a little ghost with a toasted marshmallow. That's freaking adorable. I love anything with ghosts on. It just makes me happy. Like the little ghost on the spooky hat. Cute. Oh, look. It has like little pumpkins and ghosts and bone leaves. That's really cute. I love that. I need a new house that I can bring my new cup to and put my new tea in my new cup. These are all things that need to happen. Lovely. Okay, what next? What is this? Oh, is this for like, I think I know what this is. I don't have anything I can use as an example. Oh, wait, it seems kind of small. Fresh ectoplasm. It's a can cozy, right? Bottle of deodorant, maybe not the intended purpose, but something like that I feel like is the thing. It looks like this will glow in the dark as well, which is really cute. I love that. Again, ghosts. Anything with ghosts. Generally a good way to make me happy. Except for being ghosted. Don't enjoy that. Ooh, we have a lollipop and it's sort of like all autumn leaf colors. We have a sticker. It's the same as the pin. Ghosty toasty marshmallows. Oh my gosh. I wish it was like the run up to Halloween again, honestly. I was having so much fun just hunting for Halloween stuff. It was just, everything was better. Cute. And then I think there's just one more thing. Girl Scouts Midnight Hike Whistle Necklace. Oh my goodness. Ooh, okay. So yeah, it is a whistle and it has some little sort of charms on it and stuff. Yay. I'm just gonna have this for walking around this building at night. Don't know what use it's gonna do. Generally not many people in the building, but I will pretend it will make me feel a little safer. Okay, custom made spooky ghost snapback cap, yep. Ectoplasm can cozy sleeve, yep. Girl Scouts Midnight Hike whistle necklace, yep. Haunt Me S'more enamel pin, yep. Unbreakable spooks galore travel mug. Unbreakable? Throw it in your bag, ready for your next adventure. I'm not gonna test that. I'm just gonna trust them, but I'm not gonna test it. Large marshmallow ghost decal, yes. And the candy of the month. What was the candy? Oh yes, the lolly. Yes, we got everything, yeah. Okay, well that was fun. So that was a triple Spooky Box Club unboxing. Very much enjoyed that. Needed that to sort of come back. I definitely want to work on some new content this year, but obviously things are still awful right now, so see how we go. But I'm glad to be back. I've missed you guys, and just, yeah, the amount of support from you all has been amazing. Thank you again for everything. Speaking of, if you want to continue supporting my journey to unruining my life, one good way to do that is through Patreon. The link for that is down in the description, and with all of your help on there, I am working towards sorting everything out. So thank you again to everyone who's already joined and supported, and everyone who is going to. You are just the absolute best. Anyway, yes, thank you. Thank you again. I am going to hop off and probably try to get some more stuff done. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, lovelies.